patriotic, guys. Okay, this is cool. Yeah, he doesn't have a flag. No. Which one is it? That's it. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Holy.
I'm having an inauguration parade anymore.
Alright, let's go back. Holy shit, look at this. Oh look, it's like acting videos where they have to look at the camera.
What was her name?
Oh yes, what was the name of that video? What's the name of that movie?
I've seen it.
Yeah, me too.
CPS class.
Me too! No, not history. I'm in history. That was pretty cool. What's the name of the video?
I don't remember.
Casey? Hey!
There's a dog with a sweater. And look how ADD I am. I'm so excited. It's like, oh god, there's a dog with a sweater.
For Obama.